We are here in the middle of this. Yeah, you say pass. Dang, Chocho got hemmed up. This is the flooding in Accra. Hey. Wow.
Can you see that there's a lot of water in the car?
Inside?
Yes, our car.
Look on the. Oh wow. I didn't even know that. Oh wow, look at that. On the floor. Wow. Look at this. Water inside the car. This is Accra, Ghana. Look at this. Stuff floating. Hey. I am turning the light on. This is. That car look like he got shut down. They want people out here walking in the streets. Yeah, they need to fix this in Accra. This ain't cool. Wow. Cars broken down. Come on, you United Kingdom, England, America, give these people their money so they don't have to sit here and be rolling like this. Stop trying to blame it on these little presidents and stuff. This is y'all. This is America, the UK, and anybody else who takes advantage of these places. Y'all ought to be ashamed of yourself, but y'all operate with no shame, so I wouldn't expect that. Wouldn't expect y'all to do right. Yep. You understand it?
Oh, I don't want that. Debbie, we go Accra.
I don't know what he said, but this is what they doing to people out here.
I feel confident SEC. Sure, go down with you. Empty fancy. Better wait there. Why? I feel that you call. Question Accra. No glass in cut up. Better.
What he say? And it's still raining. So what did he say?
He said that I should come and pass you.
Yeah, but you're going right back into the same thing.
What's the thing?
I know what can she say.
Yeah, me.
Yeah. Can you
Me that more. How better than no? Oh. The car is full of water.
These
The car is going.
streets.
The car is going. Go, man, go. The car is going.
You might want to toot the horn.
Chama, check it, baby. I'm trying to run it for my wife. Check it, baby. I'm trying to run it for no.
Yeah, the car's full of water. I ain't even realize that. Look, people, babies and everything out here. Yeah. This is going back to the people who built it, or the infrastructure, or the lack thereof. That's who I hold responsible for this foolishness. This is foolishness here. People out here I hear something. What's that rattling back there? The water. Oh, it's trying to push the water out. So where is he leading you to? I guess you better go back to one of them streets.
Yes.
Might be better just to go back and sit in the traffic. His thing look like it's sinking. He's nothing he can do. You might want to watch where because his feet are telling you about how deep this water is. It's telling you. So where did Trotro go? Where did you come from? I think that's the question.
Go.
See, it's getting deeper. It's getting deeper.
Sawe chika wo. Does wo. Enti danu hu hwe farmer waiting face here. Now we ma face here.
So why don't you go back the way you came?
Yes.
That's I said because they don't know. I mean, you dealing with people who don't know, so you got to make a call and go back go back the way you came because they don't know. He doesn't know. He clearly does not know. So it makes sense to to cut your losses and go back to where you at least know you have already passed. Otherwise, he'll have you all in a hole somewhere. Is this where we came?
Me question.
That's the one that Trotro you were following that knew where he was going?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So my thing is go back to where you came from. And wait.
Everything is the car is full of water.
The car is full of water, yes. Boy.
Just hope to get to the
as they say, as y'all say. Y'all say,
just want to get to there before
you just want to get back to some dry land. And then you can work it out from there. Let's work. I mean, it's even up higher.
Yes.
Good grief.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's the thing. But you're moving slow. So I mean, as long as you're moving slow, it's gonna keep rising in the car.
Those people are there,
Huh?
The guys are in front of
Well, then you might need to tell them to move to the side, tell them to walk to the side or something. Because otherwise, you're going to be sitting here. And then when you get stuck, then they're going to be looking like, oh, see what I'm saying? He's moving slow. You got to move fast. But you got to, I mean, well, I tell you, look at this. What? Oh man, it's a condom. You got a condom in here. Go ahead. Boy, say what's up? You got a condom out there. You got a condom. Let me find out you've been working it out in the car. This is your office and your situation. Oh boy. Hey, you gotta crack jokes when stuff is crazy like this. This is crazy. All right, it's like you're a little dry land. Well, your car gonna smell like a mildew. I got on my little, I'm glad I got on my tour shoes. I didn't even realize it was getting wet till I'm sitting here now. Yeah. All right, it's getting a little bit better. All right, this is, coming to you live from Accra, Ghana. In the floods. And talk about, I'm telling y'all, them daggone Americans and them UKans.
Chama, I would say, my name is Boss and I'm
stole everything.
My name is Boss and I'm too on you. Call the number, but I'm not going to send you Mumu Kakra, Mr. Why? My name is Boss and I'm a pause a card of Cremway. Oh, away is you. So, wait a Mr. Why?
Boss, you're going to